Barbicide Certification Course answers. Flashcard 1. Daily. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: Barbicide solution used for immersion of implements should be changed. Flashcard 2. Clean, disinfect. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: you have just completed a service and have several dirty implements, combs, shears, cuticle nippers, etc. To make these safe for use on the next client, you would do the following in the order they appear. Flashcard 3. All of the above. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: you have a new coworker in the salon and are sharing with them some of the reasons you feel it is important to practice proper infection control. Based on this learning module, which of these are important reasons to practice proper infection control? Flashcard 4. Shears. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: thinking about the steps of disinfection, which of the following items could be properly disinfected? Flashcard 5. 5 minutes. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: all EPA-registered disinfectants have a label that states what pathogens, germs they are effective against and how they should be used. One of the most important factors to be considered is contact time. What is the contact time visibly moist contact for barbicide wipes? Flashcard 6. Barbicide wipes, barbicide spray. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: barbicide used for immersion should be changed daily. Barbicide has 2 disinfectants that do not require changing. What are they? Flashcard 7. Consult their family physician for guidance. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: while providing a service, the client shares that they have a sore that has been very slow to heal and bleeds frequently. What advice should you give? Flashcard 8. Both. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: there are many people who have medical conditions which put them at greater risk of infection from simple nicks and scrapes. Which conditions are known to create an increased risk for infection and impaired healing? Flashcard 9. All of the above. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: chemical safety is important in the salon environment. Which of the following are required or best practices regarding the use of chemicals? Flashcard 10. Show them the steps you use to disinfect items. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: if a customer asks what your process is to assure that their service will be safe, you should. Flashcard 11. All of the above. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: mixing and using barbicide correctly is key to proper disinfection of your salon, spa, or barbershop. Which of the following is correct? Flashcard 12. Placing dirty implements in a covered container labeled dirty. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: in most states the rules about disinfection would require a licensee to do the following. Flashcard 13. Prior to each service and after any time you leave your patron. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: you have chosen to or are required to wear gloves during a service. Gloves must be changed. Flashcard 14. Require appointments. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: the following practice is important to increase adherence to social distancing guidelines. Flashcard 15. Direct. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: handshaking increases the risk of transmission for COVID-19. This type of transmission is called. Flashcard 16. Rub sudsy hand together vigorously for 20-30 seconds. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: proper hand washing is critical to reducing the spread of many types of pathogens, including COVID-19. Which of the following are important steps to proper hand washing? Flashcard 17. 14 days. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: if you know you have been exposed, how long should you wait before returning to work? Flashcard 18. Ask patron to reschedule for a later date. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: a patron comes in for a service and shares that they have had a cough and dry sore throat and says these are just my allergies. What should you do? Flashcard 19. All of the above. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: you have set special hours for your at-risk patrons, who should be encouraged to set appointments during those hours. Flashcard 20. Ask if they have any questions or concerns. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: when greeting clients, you should always do the following. Flashcard 21. A list of names and contact info for everyone in the establishment yesterday. Think of the answer before the reveal. The answer is: you have been notified that your appointment from yesterday has now tested positive for COVID-19. It is important that you have